Hello everybody. Today I'm gonna clean out my truck. Let's get started. So my truck's pretty gross, but I thought we could go on a tour together. I found this earlier today. This is a party-sized bag of gummy bears, but when gummy bears are left out, they become something new. Look at that. I'm gonna eat some. It's good. Very good. Anyway, we'll put this away for later use. The spring that holds my door open is broken. If I wedge this oil filter in here and it holds it open. Pretty slick. The best way I've figured out to clean things is by taking everything out and then putting in back in the things that you want only. Let's do it. Here's another treasure. I've had mice in this truck, and so I got the glue traps. Now the glue trap got stuck to this coat. And I guess I got all the mice because it's been here for a while and they didn't eat the cookie. So, you know what? I count this as a big win. All right, let's keep cleaning. Let's start throwing stuff away. So I think the game plan right now is we're gonna sort things into a couple piles. One, camping stuff. One is gonna be food. One is gonna be clothes. And then the rest, I guess, we'll deal with later. But let's get started on that. Time to peel the glue trap off this jacket. This jacket came from Denise. Thank you, Denise. I love this jacket, and I'm sorry that this is how it's ended up, but yeah, let's just, how can I capture this? This stuff is so strong. We've got our other pile over here, which we're gonna deal with later. Then we've got our clothing pile here in the middle. Here we've got our camping pile. And then here's the food pile. So I think first things first, I'm gonna deal with the food pile. This part of the food pile is gonna go inside. This is my food bag. This stuff is all gonna go in the food bag. And then the food bag is gonna go back in the truck. And if I need an emergency snack, I can go in the food bag and we'll be ready to go. Yeah, we'll deal with this later. Pile is now done. Goodbye. All right, it's time for the laundry pile. I think first I'm gonna sort into outerwear and everything else. So we got this sorted into this pile, which is pretty much clean. The hamper's dirty, obviously, and then there's this coat. laundry's pretty much done. All I have to do is put this pile away, wash this one, and that one, who knows, but whatever. Hydration is key. Okay, we got the clothes dealt with other than the jacket. So now the camping stuff is gonna go inside, and we gotta just deal with this other pile. Here's what the truck looks like now. So much better. There we go. So much better. Yeah, anyway. Thanks for coming on this journey with me. The light is fading, otherwise I'd keep going, but it's a much nicer experience in here now. Yeah, I think that's the end for today, but you know, more cleaning in the future, maybe. I don't know. Maybe I'll just die. Should be interesting either way.